Hi everyone! Today we're making one of my absolute favorites, a classic peanut brittle, also known as Middle Eastern sherbet. This recipe is all about simplicity, just a few ingredients, but the result is truly special. I start with roasting peanuts and cashews first. In a saucepan, I combine 600 milliliters of heavy cream and 250 grams of sugar. I cook it on medium heat for about 30 to 40 minutes. In my case, exactly 40. Keep stirring, don't walk away. You'll see it slowly turn into this thick golden caramel. Once it thickens, I add a splash of brandy, vanilla, and pinch of salt. Everything melts together beautifully. The aroma at this stage is just irresistible. It's time to add roasted nuts. Combine all together and pour it over parchment paper, spread it gently, and refrigerate for about 3 to 4 hours. When it's set, just cut into pieces and you have the most delicious peanut brittle. It's creamy, crunchy, slightly chewy, and makes a wonderful gift in a pretty box, or just a sweet treat to enjoy with your coffee or tea. If you love simple recipes that taste like home, you'll love this one. Oh, this is so good, so delicious. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more cozy desserts and sweet classics from Cook and Bake with Jazz. Thank you for watching.